Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat common problems. First thing guys, all what you wanna do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go to the apps. Now after you click on Snapchat, it will take you directly to the app informations page. All what you wanna do here is click on forward stop and then go to the data usage. Make sure to enable the mobile data, the Wi-Fi, the roaming data, and disable only the background data. Go back, click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear cache and clear data, click on delete, go back and now click on the power usage details, click down here on force stop and then restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, thank you for watching.